We are about to go, sorry this plane, about to go to a little road trip with my dog, and it's gonna be good. Staying there for a week. Been such a long day, but such a good day. Just been driving around, had some Chinese for dinner. It's been really good. And I'm at my grandma's new place, and it's so nice here. It's like a mansion compared to my house. So it's really nice. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. Looking forward to a week of this. Been a great few days. out for a walk right now, and this is the view. It's amazing. This is crazy. You okay? You okay? Come on, come on, come on. Baby. It's been a great few days here on holiday. I'm talking quiet because it's a bit late at night. New Year's Day is tomorrow. It's gonna be 2026. I can't believe it. Not much planned, but Stranger Things finale does come out the next day, which I'm so excited for. I'm scared. Also sad that this show is gonna be over. We were watching Star Wars Return of the Jedi, I think. And I was playing Roblox. And I was playing Dress to Impress. And guess what? This random girl gifted me VIP. I'm in shock. She gave it to someone else and I wasn't even asking for it. I was just like playing and I just randomly get this notification. You have permanent VIP. That made my day. It wasn't the beaches or the food. It was Dress to Impress. Getting VIP for free. Devour some of these. I've been reading this book, Alchemized by Sen Lin Yu. I read this book when it was a fan fiction. I read it like 2 years ago. Manacled. So good. Still one of the best works of fiction I've ever read in my entire life. So I'm very happy to be here. Look how big this book is. And yes, I am using a tissue as a bookmark. I forgot to bring my bookmark. But this book is so good. I mean, there's a few things left out of the original fan fiction that I'm like, you should have kept that in. But it's fine. We'll see how it goes. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's New Year's. I'm a little drunk. Happy New Year. I was playing Dress to Impress and I lost every time. But I'm drunk, so it doesn't matter. And we watched Hunger Games. Mockingjay. Part 1. Right, time to have a shower. It's 2026 and we are watching Stranger Things tonight. I'm so excited. I love Stranger Things, obviously. This is the end. This is the end of the show. Future me, does Steve die? He better not. He better not. Stranger Things. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Stranger Things. It's not even like what happened in the show. It's like, oh my god. It's the fact that like they were graduating. And it's like, I watched this show when I was a child. And they were children. And now I'm an adult. And they're also adults. And they are graduating. And I've already graduated. And that kind of hits different, you know. Stranger Things, why would you do this to me? I was perfectly happy until this happened. Why would you do that? When they started playing Heroes, he literally couldn't kill us. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. I love you. home. I am back home. I'm kind of in the Christmassy mood again because my Christmas tree is still up, even though it's January the 5th. Yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Really sad that I'm not on holiday anymore, and then I've got work tomorrow as well. So I have to go back to work, which is really annoying. Bye, hope you enjoyed.